Today we will discuss about the historical development of the periodic table. We know that periodic table is too much important for the systematic and easy study of the properties of elements. Let's suppose if we know the properties of elements, if give idea about the properties of the other elements in the same group. It is periodic table and it is the need of periodic table. When we talk about the Daubernier triad, Newland's law of octave and Lothermeyer hypothesis in last video, and today we will discuss about the Mendeleev's periodic table and modern Mendeleev's periodic table. What is the Mendeleev's periodic table? When Mendeleev did his work, there were only 63 elements were known. You must know about it. Mendeleev started his work with the 63 elements. And when he performed his experiment with 63 elements, he firstly formed 63 cards and write the formula of their hydrides and oxides. Why only hydrides and oxides? Because all the elements can react with oxygen to give oxides and hydrogen to give hydrides. That's why he write the formulas of the hydrides and oxides on these cards, and then properties also. And then what he did, he sorted these elements according to similar properties and find out that all these elements were automatically arranged in increasing order of the atomic masses. And then he gave his law, and this law was proposed in 1869 by the name of Mendeleev's periodic law. And according to the Mendeleev's periodic law, physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic weights. The Mendeleev periodic law के according all the elements were arranged in increasing order of the atomic weights, and they will show periodicity after a certain interval of time. What he said, when these elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic weight, then elements with similar properties are repeated after a certain interval of time, and this repetition in property is known as periodicity. We know that periodicity after a particular interval. After a particular interval, a repetition in properties of elements is known as periodicity in properties. It was the basic of the Mendeleev's periodic law. That time 63 elements were known. He performed an experiment with 63 cards by writing properties and formula of the hydrides and oxides. In 1969, he gave his law. The physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic function of their atomic weights. And when these elements are arranged in atomic weights, then elements similar properties are repeated after certain regular interval, and this repetition in properties of element is known as periodicity of properties. Now, defects in Mendeleev's periodic table. What were the defects? First is the anomalous position of the hydrogen. Why anomalous position of the hydrogen? Because hydrogen shows some properties resemblance with the alkali metals and in some properties resemblance with the halogens. It means it was in doubt that hydrogen will be capped with the alkali metals or hydrogen must capped with the halogens. Because some of the properties of hydrogen resembles with alkali metal and some of the properties resembles with halogen, that was why it was in doubt कि hydrogen must be kept with the alkali metal or the halogen. Again, it was anomalous position of the hydrogen. Position of isotope. Isotopes are what? Which has same atomic number but different atomic masses. Let's suppose I talk about the hydrogen, protium, deuterium and tritium. Let's suppose I talk about these three. All the three have different atomic masses. If according to the Mendeleev's periodic table, when all the elements are arranged in increasing order of the atomic masses, it means these three isotopes must be placed at different position in the Mendeleev's periodic table. But it was not happen. They were kept only at the single position. It means again one more defect, there was no space for the isotopes. Next is anomalous pair of the elements. So what means, in Mendeleev's periodic table, it was the major drawback that few elements with the higher atomic masses precede the lesser atomic masses. It means during the construction of the periodic table, few elements which have higher atomic mass, they comes first, and the element which has lesser atomic mass, they comes after than this element. Few examples, let's suppose I talk about the argon and potassium. We know that argon comes first than the potassium, and argon atomic number is 39.9 while potassium is 39.1. Which is higher atomic mass? 39.9. It means argon must be after the potassium, but it precedes potassium, right? Again, it is anomaly. It was the defect. One more example, cobalt. Cobalt atomic mass is 58.9 and nickel atomic mass is 58.7. Cobalt precedes nickel while the cobalt's atomic mass is larger. It means again it is defects. According to the Mendeleev periodic table, cobalt must be after the nickel. Argon must be after the potassium. It means these must be arranged in increasing order of the atomic masses, but it was defect. Few elements which have higher atomic mass, they precede the element with the lesser atomic mass. Again, dissimilarity in grouping of element. There is dissimilarity, it means sometime what happens, dissimilar elements were arranged in the same group. Likewise, alkali metal grouped with the coinage metal. If we talk about the first group, look at this. It is the original Mendeleev periodic table. If I talk about the group first, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. But there are few elements like copper, silver and gold. It means first group has alkali metals along with the coinage metal. Copper, silver and gold are known as coinage metal. Coinage मतलब जिनके coin बन सकते थे, जिनके सिक्के बन सकते थे. That's why these metals are known as coinage metals. And these are highly unreactive, while the lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, all these metals are highly reactive. It means there is combination of reactive and non-reactive metals. So there is the dissimilarity in the grouping of element. What is this? Alkali metals which are highly reactive like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium are placed with coinage metal. Non-reactive like copper, silver, gold, like this. Position of lanthanide and actinide. Again, there was no space for the position for the lanthanide and actinide. It was again drawback, defect in the Mendeleev's periodic table. So these were the defects in the original Mendeleev's periodic table. Anomalous position of hydrogen. Hydrogen position was not fixed. It can be capped with the alkali metal or with the halogen. Position of isotope. We know that isotopes have different atomic masses, and if they have different atomic masses, it means they must be placed at different position in the periodic table, but it was not happen. Next, anomalous pair of elements. Few pair were present in the Mendeleev periodic table, in which few elements with the higher atomic mass precede the element with the lesser atomic mass. Dissimilarity in the grouping of elements. It means few elements which were highly reactive placed with the, or you can say grouped with the highly unreactive. That's same time I tell you, in group first, highly reactive alkali metals are placed with highly unreactive coinage metals. And next, position of lanthanide and actinides were also not cleared in the periodic table. After this, modern periodic law comes. What is modern periodic law? Moseley, he was doing his work. Experiment, he performed an experiment in which metal is bombarded with high speed electron, and then he studied the frequency of the X-rays. What I tell you, frequency of X-ray. What he bombarded metal with the high speed electron, and he studied the frequency of the X-ray, and he plot a graph between the square root of frequency and atomic number, and find out that a straight line graph. And he said that what he said that there is no atomic weight that is the main function to predict the periodic table. He said that physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of atomic number, not of the atomic weight or atomic masses. He did his experiment. In his experiment, metal was bombarded with high speed electron, and he studied the frequency of the X-rays which are emitted by the metal, and he plot a graph square root of the frequency and the atomic number and find out a straight line. And he proposed that there is a relation between the atomic number and the frequencies of these elements. Now he proposed his law. This is known as modern periodic law. Physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic number. Look at this. In 1912, Moseley measured frequency of the X-rays emitted by the metal when bombarded with the high-speed electron. Whatever I tell you, he found square root of frequencies of X-ray emitted by metal is directly proportional to atomic number. That I tell you, it is direct relation between the square root of frequencies and the atomic number, and A is the proportionality constant, B is further constant, and if we plot graph between the square root of the frequency and atomic number, we find what? A straight line. And after this, he proposed his law, and this is known as modern periodic law. Physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic number. It is the main difference between the Mendeleev's periodic law and the modern periodic law. Mendeleev's original periodic law based on the atomic masses, while the modern periodic law based on atomic number. Now, after the modern periodic law, there were two corrections in the Mendeleev's periodic table, or you can say after the modern periodic law, what are the changes in the Mendeleev periodic table? There are two main corrections. These were the position of isotopes and anomalous pair. We know that position of isotope, in this defect, we know that isotopes are what? Which have same atomic number but different atomic masses. But what modern periodic law said? Modern periodic law के according atoms are arranged in increasing order of the atomic number. It means all the isotopes have same atomic number. It means all the isotopes must have same position. There is no need of different position in periodic table for the isotopes. So this property show that anomaly of the position of the isotope, it was corrected. Again, anomalous pair, we studied that in Mendeleev's periodic table there were few pairs of the elements in which higher atomic mass element precede the lesser atomic mass, but after the modern periodic law, when these elements are arranged in increasing order of the atomic number, this anomaly was further corrected. How this is corrected? Look at this, argon and potassium. In case of argon and potassium, argon atomic mass is higher. 39.9 हमने बात की थी. Now I round off it 40, and potassium के लिए 39.1 बात की थी हमने. I round off it as 39. But look at their atomic number. Argon atomic number is 18 and potassium is 19. According to the atomic number, which comes first? Argon, and which comes later? Potassium. It means series was okay. Again, cobalt and nickel. In case of cobalt and nickel, cobalt atomic number is 27 while nickel atomic number is 28. Again, this was further right. I tell you next, that is the tellurium and iodine. Tellurium atomic mass is larger than the iodine. It means it comes later, but its atomic number is lesser in comparison to the iodine. It means this anomaly was further corrected. And one more, thorium and protactinium. Thorium atomic mass is higher than the protactinium, but thorium atomic number is lesser than the protactinium. That's why thorium comes first than the protactinium. So these two corrections were made, which were the very important in the Mendeleev periodic table after the modern periodic law. Now next, defects in the modern periodic table, and before defects we will study about the modified Mendeleev periodic table. What was the modified? Modified Mendeleev periodic table comes after the Moseley's work, and it has 7 horizontal rows called period and 9 vertical columns that are known as groups. And these groups, 9 vertical columns, these groups are 1, 2, 7, then 8th and 0. इस तरह से डिवाइडेड थे. 1, these were written in Roman number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 0. Why I write all these? Because I want to tell you, in modified Mendeleev periodic table 1 to 7, all these groups were further divided into subgroup A and B. From 1 to 7, all the groups were further subdivided into subgroup A and B, like this, up to 7, right? 8th group, it has 3 elements in 3 columns, like this. There are total 9 elements. And 0 groups, this consists of inert gases. Inert gases discovered into the 1900 year, मतलब 1900 ईयर. तो यहाँ पर हमने क्या बात की है? इन मॉडिफाइड में these groups, 0 group was not present in the original Mendeleev's periodic table, because original Mendeleev periodic table was before the 1900 year. But in the 1900, when the 0 group, or you can say inert gases, were discovered, then 0 group was added in the Mendeleev periodic table. And in modified Mendeleev periodic table there were 9 groups, and out of these 9 groups, first to 7 groups are further divided into subgroup A and subgroup B. 8th group is divided into 3 columns of 3 elements each, and 0 group has inert gases. And it has 7 horizontal rows, and these 7 horizontal rows are known as periods. Now, what is the merits of the modified Mendeleev periodic table? Now we will talk about the merits. First is the systematic study of the elements. It's true, very true, कि it made the study of the elements too much easy. Next is the prediction of the new elements. Prediction के लिए whatever Mendeleev did, Mendeleev is, look at this, Mendeleev left the vacant spaces in the periodic table by knowing that, or by the prediction that few elements which are not discovered yet now, they will be discovered later on. And how they named these elements? Look at this, boron. After boron, next element, aluminium. After aluminium, next element left. एंड आफ्टर सिलिकॉन नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट लेफ्ट. तो बोरॉन के बाद जो एलिमेंट लेफ्ट रहा, या एल्यूमिनियम के बाद जो एलिमेंट लेफ्ट रहा, या सिलिकॉन के बाद जो एलिमेंट लेफ्ट रहा, इनके नेम्स रखे गए एका बोरॉन, एका एल्यूमिनियम, एका सिलिकॉन. एका मीन्स वन आफ्टर. It means these elements will discovered later on, and when these elements will be discovered, their named will be written as. तो यहाँ पर these vacant spaces indicate that these elements will be discovered later on, and their name are kept by the preceding element by putting aka as prefix. For boron, मतलब बोरॉन अगर पहले है तो its name is एका बोरॉन. एल्यूमिनियम के बाद के लिए एका एल्यूमिनियम, सिलिकॉन के बाद के लिए एका सिलिकॉन. एंड दीज एलिमेंट्स वर डिस्कवर्ड लेटर ऑन. जर्मेनियम, गैलियम, राइट. जर्मेनियम वर discovered later on. Gallium was discovered later on. And when germanium is discovered, then its name aka aluminium replaced as germanium. When gallium discovered, its name aka silicon replaced as gallium. Now next is the correction of the doubtful atomic weights. There is few correction. I tell you one example of the beryllium. Beryllium atomic weight was discovered as 13.5. Actually atomic weight फॉर्मूला होता है इक्विवेलेंट वेट into valency, and for this equivalent weight is 4.5 and valency was measured as 3. It was the wrong assumption. It was wrongly measured. Valency is 3, that's why its atomic weight become 13.5. If its atomic weight is 13.5, it means it must be kept between carbon and nitrogen. Carbon atomic weight is 12 and nitrogen atomic weight is 14. It means 13.5 atomic weight must be come between the carbon and nitrogen in periodic table. But it was not right. Later on, its valency found out as 2 and its atomic weight as 4.5, equivalent weight into valency as 9. And then it is kept between the lithium and boron. Lithium atomic weight is 7 and boron is 11. Now it was corrected that beryllium get placed between the lithium and boron. So there is the correction of the doubtful atomic weight. I tell you one more time. एटॉमिक वेट फाइंड आउट करने के लिए फॉर्मूला होता है इक्विवेलेंट वेट इनटू वैलेंसी, एंड फॉर बेरिलियम इक्विवेलेंट वेट इज 4.5 and valency firstly it was doubtfully measured as 3. Now its atomic weight comes out to be 13.5 and this 13.5 atomic weight element must be kept between carbon and nitrogen, but it is placed between the lithium and boron. Finally its valency corrected as 2, then atomic weight comes out to be 9. Now its position was corrected between the lithium and boron. So these corrections were made in case of modified Mendeleev periodic table. Now defects in modern periodic table also, there are few defects in modern periodic table. Position of hydrogen, it was further anomaly. It is kept with alkali metal or with halogen. Dissimilar elements placed together in same group, as I tell you, alkali metals with coinase metal. Still this anomaly was present. Position of 8th group. 8th group was positioned between the 7th group and the 0 group. Between 7th group and 0 group. There is no particular position for the 8th group. It was between the 7th and the 0 group. 7th group which are the highly electronegative elements, and 0 group which are inert elements. Metals and non-metals, there is no distinction between the metals and non-metals. Again position of the lanthanoid and actinoid, and there was no fixed position for the lanthanoid and the actinoid. It was about the Mendeleev's periodic table and modern Mendeleev's periodic table. And in shortly I tell you one more time, look at this. Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev performed his experiment with 63 cards, and then he gave his law in which physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic weights. It means Mendeleev set these elements, arranged these elements in increasing order of the atomic weight, and find out after a regular interval there is the repetition in the properties of the element. Then he said it periodicity of properties. डिफेक्ट्स क्या थे मेंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक टेबल में? अनॉमलस पोजीशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. हाइड्रोजन पोजीशन फिक्स करना बहुत मुश्किल था बिकॉज प्रॉपर्टीज रिजेंबल कर रही थी विद द अल्कली मेटल एंड द हैलोजन. पोजीशन ऑफ आइसोटोप्स, बिकॉज मेंडलीव पीरियोडिक टेबल that is constructed on the basis of the increasing order of the atomic masses, and in case of isotopes atomic mass is different. It means atomic isotopes must be placed at different position. It was not done in periodic table. Anomalous pair of elements, it means there were few pairs in which elements with higher atomic mass precede the element with the lesser atomic mass. Dissimilarities in the grouping of elements. Few dissimilar elements were grouped in single column, and position of lanthanide and actinide, it was not fixed. Modern periodic law, Moseley performed his experiment and then he find out a direct relationship between the square root of the frequencies of the X-rays emitted by the metal when they bombarded with high-speed electron and the atomic number. Then he proposed that periodicity can be explained on the basis of atomic number, not on the atomic masses, and then he give his law. Physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic number. After this law, there were two corrections in the Mendeleev periodic table, and these were very important position of the isotope. When I am saying that elements are arranged in increasing order of the atomic number, the isotopes have same atomic number. It means now there is no need for the different places. All the isotopes can be placed at single position. Anomalous pair, the position of those elements which has higher atomic mass and precede first than the element with lesser atomic mass, but when arranged in increasing order of their atomic numbers, find out that lesser atomic weight has higher atomic number, and again this anomaly was corrected. Next, modified Mendeleev periodic table. It has 7 horizontal rows, that is known as period, and 9 vertical columns, these are known as groups, and these groups are written in Roman number 1 to 8 and 0, and first to 7th group further divided into subgroup A and B, while the 8th group has 3 elements and 3 columns, matlab 3 columns of 3 elements each, while the 0 group has inert gases, but it is the modified Mendeleev periodic table. Now, merits of the modified Mendeleev periodic table: systemic study हो गई थी elements की, prediction of new elements as space was left in the original, or you can say first Mendeleev periodic table, when the elements will discovered and they will be named, and later on further correction in the doubtful atomic weight. As I tell you about the beryllium atomic weight, firstly it was mentioned as 13.5, and it means it must be positioned between the carbon and nitrogen. It was not correct. Finally its atomic weight is corrected as 9. Now its position was right, lithium and boron. And defects in modern periodic table, or you can say modified Mendeleev periodic table, there were further defect. There is position of hydrogen, it was again anomaly. It can be kept with the alkali metal or halogen. Dissimilar elements further grouped together in the same group. Position of 8th group, metals and non-metals, they were not separated, and lanthanide actinide position was further not present. We will talk about the atomic number, nomenclature of atomic number greater than 100. It was proposed by the IUPAC. We will talk about it in next video. Till then, goodbye.